So recently I've been searching for some wallpapers and I came across this website named wallpaperscraft.com. They have some awesome wallpapers and in many categories. So in the flower section you can see that they have awesome flowers wallpapers, and you can download them by just clicking into them, choosing resolution, and click on the download button to download the wallpaper. So they have awesome wallpapers. So I thought that why don't I automate the process, and instead of 3 times clicking on a wallpaper to download a wallpaper, uh, I just download all of them. So I've made a script for that, and they do have a lot of wallpapers. In the flower section, they have 7,720 wallpapers. So here we go. So I am here in my uh, code, and I have already uploaded the code into GitHub repository. So I'll put the link in the video description. So this main link contains a string of the category. So currently I have this city category, and I can download any of the other categories. Let me check the holidays ones, and these are not my type. So let me change the category. Let me change to movies. They are also not my type. Okay, so let's download the city ones. These are of my type. Okay, so I've not changed the okay, so default was macro, and I've changed the city for the demo purpose. I'm using 2 threads. The native resolution is this. I can change the resolution, and I can choose the folder name instead of downloads, and the pages to download, which will contain that how many pages I want to download from 1 to 5. The default is 1 to 3, and I've increased the um, default in order to show you the demo, and is you can change the range to 0 if you want to download all possible wallpapers. And in every page you can see that this last page contains a link. You can look at the bottom here, it says 246. So this category, city category, has 246 pages and 15 wallpapers in each page. That would make it 15 into 246. Okay, so let's look at the readme file. So it is a multi-threaded wallpaper scraper, and what you have to do is just clone the repository and pip install the requirements.txt file, and then it is the configuration, the config file, and the run. So I've already edited the configuration file, and let's go to the terminal and run this script.py to grab all the wallpapers. So let me python script.py, and it will start downloading wallpapers. So as it starts downloading wallpaper, let me go to some technical details. So it started downloading, and as you can see that 5 pages, 15 wallpaper, each makes it 75. Okay, so it is downloading, and let me go to some technical details for the tech guys. You can skip the video to some other point if you don't want some technical details. So consider watching it. So how this script is made. So firstly I got each and every configuration in variable names, and I fetched the base page in order to get the first page, last page, and other details. So I got the first page and last page details from my configuration file, and if it's not if this dash is not in the between, means there's something faulty in this pages to download. That means that it will get the first page as 1 and the second page as the link of that last page button. So here it is, and then looping through all the pages and downloading the wallpapers with multi-threading. So all thread is blank, you can see list, and it initiates downloading, and for each page it rotates the function, the loop runs, and it creates a download thread, and it starts, and then it appends the thread to all threads. And if the length of all threads is less than the all the possible threads that you want to download, then it will wait for the threads to complete, and it will not create new threads. And once its wait is done, then it will create new thread, right? So it's as simple as that. And I have functions file which have all the functions. So let me show you the script.py. So it will this f dot download all from page link. F is the function file which is here, and it has this function name download all the files from page link, which take the link resolution, folder name, and the okay total files. So it will show the total files as in here 75. So to show that it takes the tf variable, close that again, and it will each time it will get the data from the link, and get data as a function which will make a request. And if the response code is 200, it will return the text, and it will in here it will make the beautiful soup of it, and it will find all the possible images, find all the images with the class wallpapers underscore image, and for each wallpaper image it will then convert the src to the main resolution which we want. From here link converter, it will change the default resolution to our resolution what we want, and it will download the link to the folder name. So it will run the download function, and then if the directory is not available, it will create the directory and then write the uh, wallpaper to this folder, and then it will show the downloading, this much is downloading, and just this much. So I'll definitely put the link of the content in the video description. My explanation is not much clear, but uh, you can look at the code, and if you are a little bit in python, you will as you will read the code, you will get the information which I was trying to convey to you, right? So going to terminal once again, it says that it has downloaded, it already downloaded all the files. So let me check. uh, Let me go to the downloads folder, and here I can see all the 75 items here, in which this one file is not available in the server. So let me delete that. So I have 74 awesome wallpapers. So let me change the open with to Picasa, and here are these wallpapers. These are just awesome wallpapers for my desktop. So I'm just selecting it all and see the desktop background, and you can see that these look awesome. So uh, I can look through them, and these look awesome. So you should definitely check it out. I'll put the link of this uh, GitHub repository in the video description. So let me change them to default, and then push them back. So actually I've done some changes in the script.py, and okay, let me check the config. Okay, so script.py, let me um, perfect. So let me So it's Python wallpaper scraper. This GitHub repository, and I think that I've pushed it to the master. You can go to this link. I'll provide this link in the video description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.